Hello, in this video I will go over quiz 9, factoring using rational zero theorem and synthetic division. So, excuse me. It says factor polynomial completely using rational zero theorem and synthetic division. Do not solve. So, we have y equals 5x cubed minus 9x squared plus 28x plus 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do rational zero theorem to figure out what's my possible zeros. So let's first figure out our p. So my p is the 6, and all the factors of 6 are plus or minus 1, 2, 3, and excuse me, 6. And then my q is 5, and all the factors of 5 are plus or minus 1 and 5. So rational zero theorem is p over q, which is plus or minus 1 over 1 is 1, 1 over 5 is 1, 5, 2 over 1 is 2, 2 over 5 is 2/5, and 3 over 1 is 3. 3 over 5 is 3/5, and then 6 over 1 is 6, and then 6 over 5 is 6/5. Okay, so these are your possibilities. Now I'm gonna do synthetic. Make sure everything's order. 3, 2, 1, constant. Everything is in order, so we don't have to replace anything with 0. So we have 5, -9, 28, and 6. Now, which zeros do I want to use? There's no secret. You just got to pick one. If it gives you a remainder of 0, it works. Since to save us time, I'm going to try -1/5. Right? You have a plus or minus, so -1/5 is still a choice. Placeholder under 5, so that's 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 times -1/5 is -1. Right? And then -9 and -1 is -10. -10 and -1/5 is positive 2. 28 plus 2 is 30. 30 times -1/5 is -6, which gives you a remainder of 0. So it's true. So we just want to factor it completely. -1/5 is a solution. How do I write that as a factor? I think that could be expressed as x plus 5x and then 1, right? Because if you do 5x plus 1 set it to 0, that will definitely give you -1/5. Okay, and then these numbers 5, -10, 30, these are your coefficient of your new degree, so it's going to be 5x squared minus 10x plus 30. And then I'm going to factor out a 5, right? I can take out between here, I could definitely take out a 5. So that's 5x plus 1, x squared minus 2x plus 6. Now, can this be factored even more? Sometimes it can, sometimes it can't. Is this 3 and 2? I don't think so, because there's no number that'll multiply 6 and when added gives you -2. Like, you could try 3 and 2, that will never give you -2, right? So what this means is you have one real 0. So you have one real x-intercept, one real 0, and then you have you should have a total 3. That means two zeros are imaginary. So that's sometimes that does happen. Your polynomials may have imaginary roots. So this is it did never ask you to solve, it just says put it in the most factored it can be. So this is the most factored it can be. Okay, so on the next video, it's going to be all practice problems from all the techniques we learned from this course. Okay. And that's it. I'm going to end it right here.